baby.
Grad party.
Fucking shit up.
Drew. Happy grad.
Happy grad, Drew will say. You're the man.
Outfit for today?
Urban wait. I forgot. Wrong way.
How is it wrong?
Sideways. No, the other one.
Has to be sideways? This who?
This is from, I think I lied before. This isn't from Urban. I think. I don't know where this was from. Whatever, man.
And then the shoesies.
This is from Lulu's. This is my bestie, Katie Ho.
They already know.
Hey guys, it's Amanda, and today I am filming a little vlog, get ready with me type of vid. So I have a graduation party tonight. Do I really feel like going? No, not really. Do I really feel like getting ready? No, not really. So the first thing I need to do is take a shower. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'm gonna come back here and probably like blow dry my hair. It's only 5, but I take a very long time, and usually my mom blow dries and straightens my hair, but she's at the beach. I'm the only one at my house right now, so I'm sad. So I'm just gonna go take a little shower, and I will come back in a bit. Just got out of the shower, and the outfit that I want to wear tonight, I need a sticky bra, and mine stopped being sticky, so we're gonna go to the mall right now. It is 6, almost 6, it's 5:40. We're gonna go to the mall right now and get a new sticky bra from Target, and then I'm gonna just get some Chipotle. Let's go to the mall with our soaking wet hair. Puppies, I'll be back. We made it outdoors. How amazing. I should have brought, where's my windshield wipers on? I should have brought, what should I have brought? I forgot what I should have brought. It's fucking hot as hell. I'm gonna put you guys on this, baby. Alright. You guys are up there. Don't ask why I'm listening to that. Should I leave that up? If it comes in, it comes in. Who really gives a freaking shit? Okay, I need to plug in my phone because I need this charged all night. Let's go, because I need to get ready. Just kidding, I don't know why I'm bugging out so early. I thought this was just gonna be get ready with me, but no, I have to forget that I need a freaking sticky bra and food. Let's jam out, baby. Zayn here. And you that looks so probably so weird. How can I explain myself? Alright, start to this trip. I already went the wrong way. Why would I go the wrong way? I go to the mall all the time. Like, why would I take this long way? I'm just so confused. I just am so stupid. I don't know what I was thinking. What am I doing? Oh my God. I almost went the wrong way again. I'm so just confused.
You used to call me on my cell phone.
Just like I like my honey, sweet, little selfish.
I'm going fast. I don't know why I'm gonna get pulled over.
It's beating and my hands start sweating. My chest starts sinking and sometimes will even start shaking. It's physical and emotional.
I should not have just went, but you know, fuck it. I know that guy and he's just stared at me, so this is so awkward. Okay, I'm stuck. Oh my God, there's a mad heads at the mall. Why did I come to the mall? I don't know why I came to the mall. Hello bitch, I'm coming to kill you. Any spots down there, missy? Let me know, cause I need a freaking parking spot. Alright, we're parking here. We're parking far, far, far far away. I'm gonna sweat to my death. We're wearing sunglasses so nobody can see who I am. Oh my god, that was so bad. It's so hot, and they didn't even have a sticky bra at Target. So that was a fail. I got my food though, so that's good. We're back with my food. Okay, got some chips, got pork in my bowl. Yummy. Get off there. I hate when the guac gets stuck to this shit. Okay, so I just finished eating, and I don't even know how to go about my hair. I think I'm gonna blow dry it a little because it's still wet in the back and it's like pretty crazy. I'm gonna blow dry it and then try and make it look good. I'll probably end up curling it because I let it dry naturally for too long, and I hate straightening my hair. Holy shit, why is my freaking blow dryer so fucking hot? Okay, so my hair is pretty dry. I think it's fully dry, but it looks like trash still. This bad boy needs to help me out. Need to make sure I had a ride tonight, and I do, so yeah. Because, like I said, I'm the only one that lives here today. Ow. Plugging this in. Ow. This is the Dry Bar, like curling iron. I don't know, man. Brush out my hair. We got some Moroccan oil. So much comes out. I don't want my hair to look greasy or anything. Celebrate good times. Come on. That's what we're doing tonight. I'll show you a little bit how I curl my hair. I take a piece. I start in the back. Take a piece. And then I literally put the rest of my hair I put the rest of my hair in my mouth. To make sure it doesn't get in the way. This is literally how I curl my hair every single time, so don't judge me. It's just how I do my thing. Alright, so since you saw how I wrap my hair around a curling iron, we're gonna speed this shit up so I can watch YouTube.
Different beauty influencer people.
James Charles. Okay.
Different brands.
Okay, so I curled my hair. It looks like really crazy and really fucking curly, but they'll fall out by the time that I go. So let's hope that happens because I don't like it right now at all. Okay, makeup time. We're gonna do my makeup. This is how I do my makeup. Okay, for like normal parties, I won't like put on like eyeshadow. I feel like, I don't know, grad parties, everybody gets so much more dressed up for. So I'm gonna do my makeup good. So that means foundation, all that. So first, I'm gonna put on some face cream. This is my go-to. It's Josie Moran. This isn't like a tutorial. I'm not gonna be explaining everything. Primer, Fenty Beauty Primer, Fenty Beauty Foundation in the shade 3:10. Hope I look good tonight. I want to look good tonight. Okay. Foundation time, baby. I never wet my beauty blender with like real water. I always use my AmandaMarie spray because I never want to get up. Dot, 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 dot. Boop, 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 boop. I get really focused when I'm doing my makeup. That's why I don't like filming tutorials, because I get distracted and then my makeup never turns out as good in tutorials as it does in real life. Some forehead action. I don't feel like dotting it on here because I just don't want to. Let's blend this sheet. Do I look prettier? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay. Foundation on. Concealer. I do my concealer very weird. Don't ask me why I do it like this, because I'm not gonna tell you. So this NARS concealer is like my tan day concealer. My body is very tan. My face is very pale. Okay? So I have to make my face darker so that it matches the rest of me. And then I put on a light shade that is way too light for me, just on the inner corners, like right here, just to brighten it. Oh man. Alright, Laura Mercier, whatever. I don't really bake. I kinda do. But like, I don't like leave it there, because then it like dries out my face. Girls are so lucky. We can just like blur out literally every imperfection we got. All right, now I just take a little brush and I take this powder because it's not translucent, because I'm always so scared that I'm going to have flashback on my face. So I kind of just dust over it to make sure we don't got any of that happening. I use this bronzer. It's the Tarte Park Ave Princess one, and I use this weird little brush. I don't know. I hope the curls are falling as we speak. I deadass put bronzer like everywhere. Do I look like a cakey mess? Leave it in the comments below. I really am curious. Let's do some blush. I'll use this blush. It's pretty. It's Sigma Spotlight Powder. It's onto the brows. Oh, fuck. Brows done. I'm gonna use something I haven't used in a bit. No, I'm not. To use Naked Smoky. First, we need the eyeshadow primer so that this puppy can stick all day. I don't want to use this. It's too dark. Too Naked 3. Oh shit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I like it like that. Hey, windows down, turn with the radio on. I don't want to do the other eye. Cute, cute, cute. I think that's good. That sucks if you don't think it's good, because I'm leaving it. Got mascara on my freaking face. Literally sounds like something's coming out of the sky to come and kill everybody. Now for the highlight, my go-to. This is like my original favorite. It's the Sun Highlighter by Stila. It's just like a very golden Okay, that's the finished look. There you go. Let me get this light. Okay, girl. That's the look, baby. I got a text. Okay, I still need to figure out my outfit, so I'm gonna figure out my outfit, then I will come back and show you guys. So this is my outfit, I think. This little romper is from Urban, I think. I don't know. And then my shoes are from Puma. I don't even know if I like it. I wore this romper already when I was in Dominican Republic and I loved it, but I think it shrunk a bit because it's really tight on me. Well, it doesn't look that tight, so I think we're fine. That's the freaking fit, bitches. I'm gonna go pick up Katie now. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you want more videos like this. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. I love you all to the moon and back, and I just said that I will talk to you in my next video, but I want to say it again. So yeah, peace out.
You call me all friendly.